You're scared to host a webinar. Not because you don't know what to say, not because you lack experience, but because you are afraid of looking stupid. And that fear is costing you money. So in this video, I'll show you how to eliminate it permanently. Because most people think they're scared of webinars because they're not good on camera or because they're not a natural speaker. And that is just a lie. So, what's the real reason? It's because you're afraid of judgment. You're scared of what people will think if you mess up. You're scared of looking unprofessional. You're scared of silence, nobody showing up, and maybe saying something dumb while you're live. But here's the truth. Nobody cares as much as you think they do. I promise you. Your audience isn't waiting to criticize you. They're watching because they have a problem and they want you to solve it. So, here is how to instantly overcome that fear. Stop thinking about yourself. The fear comes from making it about you, your appearance, your performance, your nerves. Flip it. Make it about them. Let me give you an example. If you knew for a fact that your webinar could change someone's life, would you still be nervous? Of course not. You'd be excited to help. And that's the mindset shift. Service is greater than self-consciousness. So when you focus on helping, the fear disappears. You don't need confidence to start. You need repetitions. Confidence comes after action, not before it. So, here's how to build it fast. If you've got your webinar and you've got slides ready to go, then do this. Go live on a private webinar. No audience, just you and a blank screen. Run through your content like it's the real deal and do it 3 times. Next, invite one person. This could be a friend, a team member, or even just a fake account, like one of your other email addresses that's logged in on another device. Just having somebody there will force you to perform, okay? By the time you go live for a real audience, you'll have already done it multiple times. And if you haven't started building your webinar yet, I've got a free resource coming up for you. Okay, fear thrives on the unknown. So remove the unknown and fear disappears. Do you ever notice how performers, like musicians, when you go see your favorite band, they look totally relaxed on stage? Well, it's because they've, first of all, done it before. But second of all, this isn't natural. It's been built up. They use, at least when they first started out, they use anchors, which are small actions that signal to their brain, I'm in control. And here's how you do it before your webinar. Well, at least here's what I do. I do a pre-webinar ritual. It's like a short warm-up before every session. So I say the first 2 to 3 sentences out loud, okay? Just to remember, as soon as I hit that go live button, I know exactly what to say. And then, before I even start that, I play some music to get pumped up. But before I do that, I do some push-ups, okay? Not enough to make me sweat, but just enough to get my blood pumping. So you can do anything that puts you in this peak state. You don't have to do what I do. But here's why you need to get over this fear. It's because webinars are the highest converting sales tool available, period. Okay, that's why 57% of marketers host up to 50 webinars a year. And why 73% of B2B marketers and sales leaders say that webinars are the best way to generate quality leads. So if you're worried that your webinar won't drive enough registrations, okay, just know that 44% of webinars have fewer than 25 attendees. And webinars with under 200 attendees, those have the highest audience conversion rate. Let that sink in. Your fear is stopping you from tapping into one of the most powerful revenue generating tools in existence. So here's your action plan. Go to my website and get my free AI powered webinar prompts that'll build your webinar for you. Yes, really. The link is in the description. Let me show you exactly what Fearless Webinar Academy looks like after you log in. Okay, so this is totally free, and it's my entire process that I personally use to build webinars myself. Okay, so this prompt right here, you can choose any of them, but this one right here will write your entire webinar script for you. You're welcome. And this one right here, it's going to write 5 emails that go out after your webinar to sell your offer. All you got to do is copy and paste and then fill in the brackets and then press enter in ChatGPT. Okay. Listen, fear disappears with action. Confidence comes from competence. The only way to get better at webinars is simply just to start doing them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.